You've got a great design, but every factory tells you the same thing. Your volume is too low. Sound familiar? Think the project failed? Not even close. You're just stuck in the mass production trap. Because once you're only talking about dozens or hundreds of parts, it's a completely different game. Welcome back to First Mold. I'm Blanca. Today, let's talk about the four-step ladder of the low-volume manufacturing ladder. At the bottom of the ladder is 3D printing. When you need something fast, this is the obvious first move. You send the file, get a part quickly, and finally stop pretending the CAD model counts as testing. But this step has limits. Once you move beyond a few prototypes, the weaknesses show up fast. Mechanical behavior can differ a lot from molded parts, especially for snap fits, impact loads, and parts stressed across layer lines. And the cost per part does not scale very well. So the moment you need more than just show me the shape, you move up. Then comes vacuum casting. When you need more than a few parts, and you want them to look and feel more real, this is a strong next step. We start with a master pattern, make a silicone mold, and cast resin under vacuum. The finish can look very close to injection molding, while the cost per part drops compared to printing parts one by one. For demo units, trade show samples, or early testing, it is a smart bridge. Then things start getting serious. Maybe you do not want a simulated part. You want the real deal. Choose CNC machining. We all love watching high-speed spindles tear through metal while coolant flies everywhere. It is pure industrial eye candy. But CNC is not just nice to look at. It gives you real material, tight dimensional control, and a much more honest picture of how the final part will actually perform. If your part needs to survive real testing, hold tight tolerances, or show up as a serious prototype in front of investors or customers, CNC is often the right move. But here is the catch. If you are still machining every part one by one when you're getting ready to ship small batches, your budget can disappear fast. This is where low-volume manufacturing starts looking a lot more like real production. You want molded parts. You want repeatability. You want something closer to production quality, but you are not ready for full production tooling. That is exactly where rapid tooling comes in. It uses a simplified tooling strategy, often with aluminum or pre-hardened steel, to get molded parts faster and at a lower entry cost. It is not built to run forever. It is built for bridge production, pilot runs, and early market launch. This is not your forever mold. It is your right now mold. To make things easier, I've put together a cheat sheet comparing all four methods. Each one has its own sweet spot. A lot of projects get stuck because the process does not match the quantity. If you are still not sure where your project fits, leave a comment or send us your CAD files for a free DFM review. We'll help you avoid costly mistakes and move your idea toward a real product.